so far. So we are in Hamburg. Yeah, it's Hamburg. A moment. Here behind me, you see. One moment. Yeah, now it's better to see. I think so. Yeah, that's Airbus. That's Airbus. Over there, you can see. Here are most of the parts in Hamburg are built. What for construction? Wow, it's crazy. Have you ever seen one this Airbus 380? It's incredible. No, it isn't ridiculous. It's just incredible. I don't want to know how many innovations inside there. And now we see the river from Hamburg. Do you see? You see, I'm here and I have my fun. Here in Hamburg, Nienstedt. Let's see you out there.